To live better, to be healthy and happy, it's what we all strive for. Did you know your hearing health contributes to your overall well-being and quality of life? It can be directly connected to your age, weight, and even income level. At Audibel, we believe to be fit to hear is to be fit for life. Introducing A3 Wireless, the latest in hearing aid technology and your ticket to better hearing and better health. Wireless technology is at the heart of A3, providing consistent connectivity no matter where you roam. A3 delivers the latest advancements in hearing, comfort, personalization, and connectivity to keep you active and living your best life. Hear better and stay connected. A3 provides natural, 3D-like sound that helps you hear more naturally. The result? Less listening fatigue, even in the noisiest places. Sounds come from all directions, requiring an intelligent and personalized system. A3 is designed to help you hear speech in all situations. The result is consistent, superior sound. A hearing aid doesn't work if you don't wear it. That's why we've added numerous features to A3, so you'll want to wear them. Like our best-in-class feedback cancellation system, designed to eliminate annoying whistling and buzzing in the toughest environments, from crowded cafes to a drive in the country. Your hearing is unique, so A3 is engineered to be highly customizable to fit your hearing needs and lifestyle. A3 automatically adjusts the hearing aid's loudness over time to help you transition to your new hearing experience in the most comfortable way. A3 is self-learning and automatically learns your volume preferences. A3 also works with our new generation of SurfLink accessories to help you connect effortlessly. SurfLink Mobile is a cell phone transmitter, assistive listening device, media streamer, and hearing aid remote, all rolled into one. It's time to hear better, to live better, to choose better hearing aids. A3 Wireless, fit to hear, fit for life.